Want to know how a number is divisible by 7? To test for divisibility by 7, you remove the last digit and you subtract twice the last digit from the number that you get. If the number is divisible by 7, so is the original number. So if a number x is divisible by 7, if a number x is divisible by 7, what we need to do is we remove the last digit, and then the number that we remain with, we subtract twice the last digit from that number. And if we get a number which is divisible by 7, then so is the original number. We're going to start with our original number, 87654. So this is our model number which we're going to use. So we start with 87654, then we remove one number there, which is the last number. We remove this 4, we remain with 8765, right? After that, we subtract twice the last digit from 8765. So the last digit which we removed is 4. So 4 times 2, we get 8. So now we're going to subtract this 8 from this number. So we're going to say this number minus 8. So this number minus 8, we're going to perform some subtraction here. 15 minus 8, we get 7.
Since we borrowed a 1, we have to return the 1 there.
6 minus 1, 5, 7, 8. Then if this number now that we get is divisible by 7, then it means that the original number is also divisible by 7. So let's check that out. 8757 divided by 7. What do we get here? 7 into 8, 1, remainder 1. 7 into 17, 2, remainder 3. 7 into 35, 5. 7 into 7, 1. So it means that this number is divisible by 7, which means that this number is also exactly divisible by 7. Let's check that out so that we quickly roll it out. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 divided by 7. This gives us 7 into 8, 1 remainder 1. 7 into 17, 2 remainder 3. 7 into 36, 5 remainder 1. 7 into 15, 2 remainder 1. 7 into 14, 2. And it checks out. This number is divisible by 7 and our rule works.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.